Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone beyond. How is everybody? I'm doing okay. I am here in Boise. Just delivered my load this morning. Now over here at Peterbilt. Um, I don't know if y'all remember back, I don't know, a month or so ago, I blew that steer tire uh, in the middle of the night over by Pocatello. Uh, I didn't know it at the time, but it is damaged. I don't know if you can see it. It damaged the inside of the fender right there. I got to bunch it on to hold it on there, because the only thing that was holding it on was that light. Uh, so I had to bunch it on. We're over here at Peterbilt. We're going to get that fixed. If I don't get run over by a dump truck. Anyway, we're going to get our buddy Leo over here at Peterbilt to get that fix that for us. Yeah, that thing started falling off the other day. Well, I guess it's been about a week ago. Driving down the road, I heard something bouncing around, flopping around. I looked out here, this thing was just bouncing off the ground. The only thing holding on was that light. So I got to bunch it on there until we can get it fixed. Leo just sent me a text. Let him know I was here. He said, okay, thank you. So that's what we're doing here today. I'm just going to drop the truck off probably and go get a motel. Boss is paying for the motel today, so might as well, right? That way I ain't got to sit here all day and wait for it. Also got down there on the corner down there, there's a little light down there. One on the other side, it's not working. Let's see if we can get that fixed. I think it's just a wiring issue, I think. Because back when they had big snowstorm up there in New York, they had piled up the snow where I turned around at the place I delivered that butter. And I caught the snow with that light and bent it backwards. And it hasn't worked since, so I think it broke the wire. Hopefully I don't have to buy the whole light. I think you can just rewire it, I think. I'm not an electrician, otherwise I'd have done it, but I don't know shit about electricity. So that's what we're doing here. What are y'all up to? Y'all staying warm? It's chilly here this morning. Yesterday when I got here, it was snowing, raining, wind blowing like crazy. It was nuts when I got here. Yesterday afternoon. It was nuts. But it's nice, pretty today. Chilly. Anyway, I'll catch up with y'all whenever. I'll pick up a load tomorrow over in Nampa, going to New York. Not a butter load this time, it's frozen something, potatoes or something. Yeah. So y'all have a good day. Bye.